Add milk to the broccoli, and you will be amazed by the result. Start by cutting a head of broccoli. First, remove the stem, then cut it into florets, just like I'm doing. Next, transfer everything to a medium saucepan. Add enough water to cover. Put the lid on the pan. Turn the heat to medium and let it all cook for 8 minutes. After this time has passed, drain all the water and set aside. Now, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and stir until completely melted. When that happens, add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and stir until a mixture forms. Now, gradually add 500 milliliters of milk at room temperature and keep stirring non-stop until a smooth and uniform creamy mixture forms. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. This is the right consistency. To season, add half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and stir until incorporated. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Then, add all the broccoli we prepared. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. 4 slices of white cheddar cheese, 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. Cover the skillet and let everything cook until the cheese melts completely. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.